Hello, today we're adding more to the Fartbox sample pack and we're using the original Fartbox. It's the one that you can play at the museum. You can also build your own and stuff. There's PCBs available and stuff, but this is some fart sound. So let's get cracking. We're in a suitable situation right now. We're in a place where maybe it's all right to be farty, but we'll see what we can get out of it. So we'll get going with the Fartbox. Ooh. That's bitty. What a sample pack of farts. So if you want to see more information on the Fartbox sample pack amongst loads of other sample packs, then the information is below. All of the proceeds go towards funding the museum and making it better and this, that and the other. If you want to come and play on this specific Fartbox, then it is here to play on at the museum, and you can also build one yourself, the PCBs. There's a link below as well. So yeah, that's the Fartbox. Go and check it out.